Hi there and welcome to my video. This is my first video about ArchWiz. Archmid continued. Until recently I had never heard of this distribution. I'd never heard of Midfinger until I saw a video by English Bob about how he loved this distro and how sadly Midfinger had passed away. So I went over to his channel, found the download, downloaded it, installed it, and I liked it. I liked it a lot. You were right, English Bob. This is how it should be. This is how it should look like. This is how it should function. Don't get me wrong. Ubuntu Mate will still be my go-to desktop if something goes wrong. But to have a desktop which I can play with, which I can do with it, whatever I want, just use pack and install any program I need, it's a relief to not have PPAs, to have access to the Arch user repository. It's great, it works, it never crashes. So I did some further digging and I found the source code. I downloaded the source code, built a new ISO, started it in VirtualBox, and found that Midfinger made some changes but never got around to making another ISO. So I did. The link will be in the description and I made an ISO today. You can download it, install it, get the source code from either GitHub or SourceForge, be my guest, and play with it. Create your own version. I will make new ISOs regularly to have most up-to-date software in this ISO. That means I have to package some things, add it to my custom repo, build the ISO, upload it, etc. And I will make a short video about the refresh. Now, you've seen this guy long enough, let's go to the actual desktop, and this is how it looks. I will leave the Tiger, Panther, whatever it is, as the default wallpaper. It's not exactly to my liking, but hey, I will leave it. Well, where can you download it? Just go to SourceForge and look for ArchWiz. Again, I will post a link in the description, but that's the easiest way to find it. As you can see, I've got my file set up and it's the actual date of today of the recording, and I have also the code here, including the custom repo. If you don't want to use SourceForge, you can go over to GitHub. There is the same stuff. So you can go mad with it and create your own versions of ArchWiz. Archmid continued. And as you can see, it's based upon Arch Linux. I've been up 1 hour and 22 minutes. I've got 843 packages. My resolution, it's based on XFCE4. Got a new mix theme with the ultra flat icons, which I will change soon because they're not exactly to my liking, but hey, it was the original. And then to my system. I'm actually recording now, and still I'm not even using a quarter of my system. This is an ideal distribution for smaller computers. Well, I don't know exactly what to tell you right now, except that this is the latest ISO version of the 13th of August 2016, and I will be creating more in the future. That was it. Nothing more from me on this video. Bye bye.